you're wondering why I grow potatoes, you know, potatoes are really cheap. You get them in any grocery store. What's the point? The thing with homegrown potatoes is they taste amazing. I know they're organic, and they really are just wonderful. So if you have the space, and they're simple. Just throw the potato in the ground, cover it up. You can, I always like to give the ground some manure the year before, so it's a well fertilized space. And then sit back and wait. You don't have to do anything. Just let them die. Yank them out. Don't worry about it. I've seen people grow them. Now, if they're green like that, like really crazy green, then they're poisonous. Don't take those home. You can always plant those. Now, I'm throwing them to the side. The animals will eat them. But you can plant them again, and they will still, they'll come up. They will start the next year of potatoes. And a lot of people like to plant potatoes in bags or in in containers. Really, they're so easy to plant in the ground, and you can absolutely grow potatoes on a balcony if you're growing them for taste. I wouldn't try to grow potatoes on the balcony for the purpose of being self-sufficient. I think that would that might just be kind of crazy, because you're not going to get very many. You're going to starve. But for the sake of growing something awesome, filling your balcony with a plant, and you know, being fun and all that, definitely grow potatoes. Also a good plant for children. Just make sure they don't eat the actual plant like most plants. The plant is not edible, just the potato at the bottom. And potatoes do occasionally have fruit. They look very much like tomatoes. So if you have kids, you want to watch out for that. Make sure that they're not harvesting and eating the potato, the fruit of the potato. And the best way to keep them from doing that is to pluck off the flowers on the potatoes themselves before the flowers turn to fruit. And I have a video on that as well. Man, look at this soil. God, I love making compost. I'm Scarlett. Thanks for watching. Toodaloo!